it or not, it was shot using just a mobile device. In this video, we'll show you how to shoot such amazing cinematic shots. Install the Open Camera app. Shoot this show. For the first shot, place the subject on a cloth for smooth movement of the camera and revolve the mobile around the subject, keeping the focus and exposure fixed. For the second shot, fix the focus on the subject and keep the mobile to the left of the subject and move it slowly towards the subject. Keep the focus fixed to get some bokeh. For the third shot, keep the focus fixed on the subject. Keep the mobile near the subject and move it away from the subject. Reverse the footage and get some best intros for your video. For the fourth shot, keep the focus fixed on an eye, appealing object and place the subject just behind it. While shooting, change the focus to the subject for some nice footage. For the fifth shot, keep the subject in your hand. Mount the mobile on a tripod for the stable footage and move the subject and the mobile simultaneously to get an amazing cinematic shot. Like this, note that there should be enough distance between the subject and the mobile to get some decent bokeh as well. Select an eye, picking background for the subject. For the sixth shot, keep the subject on a table and bring the mobile closer to it. Slowly and instantly rotate the mobile through 180 degrees. Do the same for the reverse to get some nice. For the seventh shot, just keep the focus fixed on the subject and instantly face it towards the sky, and do the same for the reverse. Just change the placement of the subject cause it looks kinda cool. Do subscribe this channel so that you don't miss our latest videos on YouTube beginner series. Also, please do like and share this videos.
बरोबर